everyone, welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. If it's your first time here, well, I generally cook once in a while, and I like to share my recipes, and also I do videos with trail cameras, flowers, different activities outdoors. So please stick around, and today I'll be making chicken skewers. It's easier to say brochette in French. Skewers. Anyways, I'm going to be doing that today in marinated with the maple syrup, and I'll be doing it on the barbecue. I will get started. I need 2 chicken breasts. I got to cut this up into cubes. My chicken is cut up into cubes. I'll put it into a bag. Now I will add 1/4 cup of oil. One-quarter cup of maple syrup. I need 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Teaspoon, go nice and slow. It's about a teaspoon. A 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. It's about a 1/2 teaspoon. And I will also need a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon. So I'll just do a few dashes. Whoops, okay. So what I will do now, close the bag. I mix all this up, and I put it in the fridge. I will be back later to get my pepper chopped up and my onion. Now I put my sticks in water to soak for a minimum of 30 minutes. I will get my pepper prepared, cut it up into cubes. My peppers cut into cubes. I will do the same thing with the onion. So I got my onions chopped up also into large pieces. This is what the chicken looks like. I'm going to put them together. I'll start off with an onion. You start off with whatever you want. You can use peppers, onions, whatever you want to do a skewer. Put a piece of chicken. The bag does smell good. Or the odor in the bag. I'm going to put 4 pieces of chicken to each stick. It's messy on the hands. I gotta make sure I got enough for 4 sticks here. So that's what it's gonna look like. I'll get the other 3s going. Now I'm gonna put them back in here. And I'm going to pour the rest of this over them. To give the vegetables a bit of flavor. Just like this. Now I will get to the barbecue. Barbecue is ready. I turned them around a few times. And now I'm going to put my heat down. I will check them out. Not quite ready yet. Two. Three. Get in there. It is ready. 165 degrees, the chicken. Now the taste test. Looks nice. Now I will taste it. It's chicken I want to take a taste of. Just anxious. It smells good. Delicious. I will have more skewer recipes to come. So this one is a very good one with the maple syrup. I'd like to thank you all for watching my video. Until next time, bon appétit. Take care. Bye.